Okay.
Hi Raylinaires, welcome back to my channel. So you're probably here because you love to do yoga, you just don't know what to do with your hair. You want it to look cute, you also want it to be really easy to create, and I'm all about that. If you've had any experiences like me where you just forget what to do with your hair because you're not thinking about poses like this,
Not doing it, no.
why? Then you know that the struggle is real. So I'm so excited because I'm sharing with you 3 very simple, very easy, but cute ways to do your hair for yoga. So you can do standing and seated poses, and so your Shavasana can truly be a very calming experience. So let's get started. Step 1, we're going to take our hair and brush all of those knots out, and we are just going to part it right down the middle, brush it out a little bit again. Make sure your hair feels nice and soft. And we're just going to take one side and form it into a cute little pigtail. Now make sure that you have all of your hair behind your ears, nice and tight, and just wrap the hairband around. I like to use the same color for each hairband. You will need 4 hairbands for this. Then just section it out into 3 big sections. One side over the middle, then the other side over the middle. I will do this in fast forward. There we go. And I'd like to use a little bit of product on this, so I have something for my split ends by Aloxi, and I find that it really helps with my split ends. Then just tie it with your hairband at the end, nice and tight. Make sure that it is at the end of the hair and just pull it down. And that is your first one. And my lollipop hairband. Now we're going to start the other side to make sure that it is nice and even. We want to pull it tight again, right behind the ear. It really helps if we put it behind the ear because that pushes everything back so we can actually see our poses. And this is great for inversions because we are putting our hair to the side so we can do those headstands very nice and very easily. And also this is great if we are doing any poses that allow us to lie down on our backs because our hair is not in the way. And again, I'll just go a little bit faster on this one. We want to go over and over each section. Make sure there's 3 sections and fast forward. And then we're just going to tie it at the end as well. Make sure to look in the mirror and make sure that it's nice and even. And now for Bobby Brown bobby pins. If you don't feel comfortable putting bobby pins in your hair, no worries. I just like to do this to make sure that my hair is nice and secure. We're just going to take one, put it behind our ear, and now we're just going to crisscross applesauce the back of our hair. So one bobby pin goes one way, the other bobby pin goes the other, and it just allows those little hairs to not come undone in the back. And we have our first look. I'm very excited about it, as you can tell. Okay, so for the second one, this is actually very super easy. All we're going to do is create a messy bun. You can do this literally in less than a minute. So you just take a nice ponytail. It should be at the bottom of the back of your head into a little nice ponytail like that. Again, this is great for those headstands, and it's actually great if you are doing any back poses because it basically feels like your hair is tucked away. So now that it's in a nice straight ponytail, just create a messy bun by having your hairband very loose and just creating it the way you would create your bun. Pull out some of the strands. There we go. And that's just the messy hair bun, just to get it nice and tucked out of the way so you don't have to worry about it. And I just love this hairdo because I don't have to think about it and I don't have to think about my hair while doing yoga. Now for the third look, we're going to just do a nice, easy, simple ponytail with a little bit of a twist. And again, this takes literally less than a minute, but it really looks cute and it's a little bit of a twist. So we're just going to put the ponytail where we place the bun, so it's all the way at the bottom of your head. So think a low ponytail. Then we're going to take a 1-inch strand on the bottom of our ponytail.
And we're just going to start wrapping it around our headband until we don't have any more hair left. Now you can stay here and you can just have one strand, or you can take two just to have a little bit more length in your twist. So I decided to do two. Again, take another 1-inch strand on the bottom of your ponytail and just wrap it around. So while you're doing this, if you want to have your favorite gel, I like to use Tresemme, but you can use anything you like, and then just straighten out the hair, make sure there's no wispies. Pull it tight and make sure that it is nice and centered. And there we have look 3 done.
So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more tips about yoga, please give a big like and subscribe to this channel if you found any of these interesting. And I would love to know which hairstyle you prefer, number 1, 2, or 3. Bye, Raylinaires!